Welcome back to another motherfucking video, man. Monty Miles TV. Follow your boy, all platforms. Before we get into this video, Apple Music, YouTube, Spotify, all platforms. Monty Miles, MONTEE Miles. So today in this video, old boy kicking out his baby mother. He's kicking out his biological kids. All because his woman asked why he came home so late, or why is he coming home so late. So let's just get into this savagery ass video, man. Let's check it out.
Damn keys then! Give me my keys! Can I be scared damn go? Give me his
Brother, it's cold. That's a cold brother right there.
You wrong as hell for that shit. You wrong.
That's wrong.
What you doing? Give me my
Brother, it's cold.
Oh, you're not doing this shit. Give me my keys! Give me my Give me my no! Give me my keys! Give me my keys! Stop throwing my stuff all out! Give me my keys!
OG, you had enough of that shit.
That is my car. Give my keys. Give my keys. Give it to me now. Stop. Damn it. How you gonna do this with your damn baby? You got a problem because I'm questioning you about coming in late? You got a problem because I'm questioning your ass?
I'm taking care of you.
Give me my damn keys back.
Get out of here.
Man, you better give me my damn keys back.
He came illegally to do that. My bad, y'all. About the ears too, man. Alright, about the ears too. He really can't do that. My bad, y'all. The video too loud. Last minute, I'm not recording this shit. Just do it over. But my apologies. But bro, ass really cool because he did not have to kick his kid family out. But that just goes to show you how guilty of a person is. They'll treat the ones they love the most wrong when they're guilty. So if a person ever treats you wrong and bad, when all you do is show love, they're guilty, and don't settle for that. You feel me? Because you're better than that. So keep it moving. So if y'all like that video, like, share, subscribe. Fuck with your boy Monty Miles on all platforms. MONTEE Miles, all platforms. Stream your boy. Like, share, subscribe. I said that shit. I'm fuck with y'all boys. Peace.
He's the monster, he's the manic, he's the animal, he's the monster.
Fuck you, bitch. I'm sliding with my niggas tonight. Pussy hoe, talking all this shit. You gon' take this pipe? I'm riding through the city, nigga, like a thief in the night. I pull up a couple act, I'm finna be like, the whole around mouth, she gon' act.